mountain. Lord, I believe you are greater than what I see. Yeah, Jesus, you're above everything, and your spirit is alive in me. Yeah, with you I can do anything, 'cause you're greater. Jesus, you're greater. Greater than all expectation, greater than my wildest dreams, far beyond my comprehension. Lord, I believe you are greater than the world I see. Oh yeah, Jesus, you're above everything, and your spirit is alive in me. Yeah, with you I can do anything, 'cause you're greater.
But I'm going to say to myself, that's what you feel, but that's not the truth. Because the truth is this: the God of Abraham, of Isaac, and Jacob is the same God who have called you, who have saved you, who have anointed you, and who is going to empower you